क्वेश्चन नंबर बोला
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.
जोर से
Read the following passage and answer the questions. इस क्वेश्चन में पहले पूरी पैसेज पढ़नी है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देने हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच एम्पायर इज मेंशन्ड इन द पैसेज. सेकंड, हाउ मैनी आवर्स आर स्पेंड बाई चाणक्य विद द पब्लिक. थर्ड, द ड्यूटी ऑफ चाणक्य इज टू लुक आफ्टर. फोर्थ, राइट द आंसर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. हु लूटेड द पीपल इन द विलेज. विच फ्रीडम इज डिस्क्राइब्ड बाई चाणक्य. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. चाणक्य was worried as the villagers were in. इनके आंसर्स हमें पैसेज में मिल जाएंगे. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो. I was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwar in the erstwhile Madras state. My father Jainuddin had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Despite this disadvantage, he possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. He is an ideal helpmate in my mother, Ashiamma. I do not recall the exact number of pupils he fed every day, but I am quite certain that far more outsiders sat with us than all the members of our own family put together. I was one of many children, a short boy with rather undistinguished looks, born to tall and handsome parents. We lived in our ancestral house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. It was a fairly large pakka house made of limestone and brick on the Muslim street in Rameshwaram. My family Austrian father used to avoid all unnecessary comfort and luxuries. However, all necessities were provided for in terms of food, medicines, or clothes. In fact, I would say my was a very secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. इसके बेसिस पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं. व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द फादर ऑफ द राइटर. द राइटर्स हाउस वॉज बिल्ड इन द मिडल ऑफ द सेंचुरी. द ऑथर्स चाइल्डहुड वॉज अ वेरी सिक्योर चाइल्डहुड, बोथ materially and the writer was born in the Iceland town of, who is an ideal helpmate of the writer's father. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. I was a short boy with rather looks. My father used to avoid all unnecessary comforts and luxury. Write the word from the passage which means the same as richness and nature. Choose the correct form of the word. After I dash the newspaper, I cleaned the room. Second, I dash meet my friend yesterday. Third, I dash study in the school since last 2 years. Fourth, I usually dash breakfast at 8 a.m. Next question. Change the following sentence into indirect speech. Naresh said to me, I don't believe you. Second, my friend said to me, did you see the snake? Fifth question. Combine the following pair of the sentences. First, Archit saw his mother, he ran to touch her feet. Second, you should come in uniform, you may join the parade. Change the following sentence into passive voice. The pupil cut the trees without thinking. He asked me to go and sit on the back bench. 7 question, frame the question to get the following answer. I respect my parents. इसका मैं framing question बनाना है. 8 question, add question tag to the statement given below. There is a school in the street. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. A book is a book dash, there is nothing in it, although, if, or and. Second, my parents as well as my relatives were present there dash supported me. Whom or who. He dash visited India dash England, so that not only but also. Next, answer the following question in 40 to 50 words. In questions के आंसर हमें 40 to 50 words के बीच में देते हैं. Question number 10. Why did Lancho say the raindrops were like new cones? 11 question. What does the poet want to say in the poem? Dust of snow. 12. Why did Holi reject the marriage? 13. How did Emily Loises replace the necklace? 14. How does Mr. Harriot treat the dog? 15 question. Read the passage given below and answer the following questions that follow. इसमें भी पैसेज पढ़नी है और उनके आंसर्स देने हैं. Question 1. Which season attracts the tourist to Cork? Second, where is Cork situated? 16 is again passage. Read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. Question number 1, which century was called the era of the book? Question number 2, what did the books do? And write about the strangest thing. Question number 17, read the stanza given below and answer the following questions that follow. The tree inside are moving out into the forest that was empty all these days, where no bird can sit, no insect hide, no sun bury its feet in shadow. The forest that was empty all these nights will be full of trees by morning. Question number 1, where are the trees in the poem? Question number 2, how can you say that forest was empty according to the poem? 18 is again a stanza. Read the stanza given below and answer the question that follow. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self-content. I stand and look at them long and long. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. Question number 1, why does the poet want to live with animals? Question 2, what do the animals not do for their condition? क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, इन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर 100 वर्ड्स में देना है एंड किसी दो में से किसी एक का आंसर देना है. क्वेश्चन 19, व्हाट वाज द फोर्सफुल थिंग्स टू मेक द यंग seagull सक्सेसफुल टू फ्लाइट और हाउ डिड Mandela hungers for freedom change his life? Question 20, draw a character speech of Wanda or how did Annie justify her being a chatterbox in the essay? Question 21, why did the woman in the control center strangely at the narrator? Or what was taught by Buddha to Kisa Gautami? Who was Griffin and what did he do in the story? Or describe the story of Anil and the thief. Question 23, you are Sonu or Sonia staying at 20 Gulab Nagar, Srinagar. Write a letter to the editor of local daily about reckless driving and increasing student. इसमें हमें लेटर लिखना है, किसी दो में से कोई भी लिख सकते हो. सेकेंड ईमेल है, राइट एन ईमेल टू योर प्रिंसिपल इन्फॉर्मिंग अबाउट द इनकम्प्लीशन ऑफ द कोर्स ऑफ मैथ एंड साइंस. यू आर संजय और सिमी, तो संजय या सिमी. राइट अ स्टोरी यूजिंग द आउटलाइन गिवन बिलो. असाइन अ सुटेबल टाइटल एंड मॉरल टू इट. वर्ड लिमिट 150 to 200. गिवन वर्ड्स के ज़रिए हमें इस पर एक स्टोरी लिखनी है जिसकी लिमिट होनी चाहिए 150 to 200 वर्ड्स की. राइट अ पैराग्राफ ऑन द गिवन विजुअल डायग्राम को देख के हमें एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है. दोनों से किसी का भी लिख सकते हो.